This is a good problem to have us create our own formula if we don't know how to directly answer. There's some test takers that can see this and automatically know, oh, okay, that's just D, and maybe they don't even know why. Well, what I do to remind myself of how to solve a problem like this is remembering that, let's just use a whole different set of expressions and then we'll come back to this. All right, where x to the 1/2 is actually the same thing as the square root of x. And what we see is that the square root, remember, it's what times what gives you that, gives you that answer. So that's why a 2 would go in here, because we say that the square root of 25 is 5. So that means you need 2 5s multiplied to get to the whatever's under the house. And there's actually a 1 that goes here. We just don't write these here because it's redundant. When we learned it, we really didn't see that. But if you can remember that x to the 1/2 is the same thing as the square root of x to the first, then we can go back to a problem and realize that the denominator essentially becomes the type of root that you have. So what we would have is a cubed root, and then that the variable here listed, a, that is what the numerator ends up becoming the exponent of. And then we look here and we can see that that matches D.